Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Remote J. Yes people, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful curry chicken with some steamed cabbage. Yes people, some nice and wonderful curry chicken with some steamed cabbage. So without further ado, let's get into this video and make this nice and wonderful meal. Yeah man. Okay guys, let's go ahead and add on seasoning to the chicken. Let's go ahead and get the seasoning all over this. Make this nice and good and wonderful. Trust me. Yes people, I saw what we eat around here. Let's go ahead and add on all of the seasoning. Come on people. You can put any seasoning of your preference onto your chicken. Now we'll go ahead and add some jerk seasoning. Do not add too much if you do not like spice that much. That's not much. That is too much. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. But that's good. Go ahead and rub it up. On there, let's get that seasoning all over it. Also, I forgot to add some black pepper. Go ahead and get that black pepper all over your chicken. Go ahead and rub this up. Yes, people, nice and good. Wonderful, look at this. Okay, now let's go ahead and add on this curry powder. Get that pepper up. Okay? Just get it all over it. Over the chicken. Rub it up, mix it up, get the curry all over that chicken, people. Yes, people, look at this chicken. So good, so amazing. Oh my god, you definitely want to try this. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more curry onto the chicken. Just a little more. Yes, people. Oh, look at this. Tell me this don't look good. Oh my god. Now I got my cabbage right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. So I'm not gonna use this. So let's go ahead and cut this cabbage up. Yes, people. Now let's go ahead. Yes, people. Dice it up like that, people. Depends on you how small you want to cut it up. Yes people, as you can see, I went ahead and cut up my cabbage, and also I'll go ahead and wash my cabbage off. Make sure you go ahead and wash your cabbage off. Already washed my cabbage off? No? Let's go ahead. I got my peppers and my onions. I'm gonna add to the cabbage and the chicken and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and cut up my peppers and my onion. Let's go ahead and add some oil to the pot and add in the chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and add some oil to the pot. Not a little bit, not a lot of oil, but a little bit, just a little bit. I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, it's too much, but whatever. Okay, what I'm gonna do is add some curry to the pot and build my curry. Hold up. Okay. ignore it. I think that is a perfect amount of oil. That's a perfect amount of oil. Okay, let's go ahead and add the chicken in. Look at that chicken. So amazing. Go ahead and serve that. Just people. Nice. Go ahead and cover it up. Let's go ahead and check on this and give it a stir. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and stir this up. Let's do nice and good. Look at this chicken, looks so amazing. Yeah. Let's cover this back up. Okay, let's go check on it and see what's going on. Oh my god. Look at this. Beautiful. Yes, people. Oh my god. Now go ahead. That's some onion. Go ahead. Put this chicken down. Yes, people. And cover it up. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's going on. Yes, people. Amazing. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and peppers in. Go ahead and stir it through. Okay, we're going to let this cook some more, so we'll go ahead and add the cabbage in. Okay, let's go ahead. Look at it. Oh my god, amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cabbage in now. Now let's go ahead and stir it up. Yes, we have to like combine with the chicken, the gravy, and everything. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good, so amazing. It's gonna taste so good. It's amazing. Cover this back up. People, let's see what's going on. God, look at this. That's so good, people. Okay. So we're gonna let this cook down some more. And the cabbage steam on some more. And then it should be done. Yes, people. Too much smoking out of this shit. Oh, there it is. Yes. Alright. Let me cook down some more. Okay, people, this should be done now. Yes, people, look at this. So good. So amazing, people. Oh my god, look at this. Yes, people.
my God, look at that.
Yes, people, it is now some nice and wonderful curry chicken with some steamed cabbage. That's how we eat around here. Until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, I'm out of here.